24/7 in your body to flush out some sugar. And for adults with type 2 diabetes and known heart disease, Jardiance can lower the risk of cardiovascular death too. Jardiance may cause serious side effects including ketoacidosis that may be fatal.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States Department of Homeland Security and the United States government. Recently, a device of military grade designed for global protection encountered a critical malfunction causing a major disruption in certain technologies. This notably includes communication satellites and radar, including Doppler radar and air traffic control radars. Major national repercussions have generated a significant concern to our nation's security. At this time, no immediate action is required from the public. However, effective immediately, all flights in the United States have been grounded. Residents at this time should remain vigilant, as this security threat may last an indefinite amount of time. Should this situation worsen, many drastic measures would be taken in order to protect the country and its people. As of now, further updates are expected to be given as time rolls on. Remain tuned to media outlets for further information on this developing situation. This is the emergency alert system. This station has interrupted regular programming at the request of the White House. All EAS stations will follow activation procedures in the EAS Operating Handbook for a national level emergency. This is WCVB Channel 5 in Boston, Massachusetts. This concludes activation of the emergency alert system. Normal programming will resume shortly.